Namo Namaha, myself Ms. Shamal from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Students, today we are going to study Sambandhavachakaha and Kutra Asti. Sambandhavachakaha, the words which shows the relation. In this lesson, the forms of genitive case means Shashti Vibhakti's nouns and pronouns have been introduced. These forms express the meaning of relation or connection, so they are called Sambandhavachakaha. The genitive forms means the Shashti Vibhakti forms are used to show relations. Note down the difference between Kasya and Kasyaha. Kasya we are using for masculine, Kasyaha we are using for feminine. So let's see some examples. Here two columns are given. In first column is given the name of the fathers and second column is given their son's name. Kasya putraha Rama. Kasya means whose. Whose son is the Ram? Whose son is the Ram? Which answer you will get? Dashatasya putraha Rama. Ram is the son of Dashrath, Shashti Vibhakti, showing the relation. Ram is the son of Dashrath. You can ask the opposite question also. Kasya pita Dashratha? Whose father is Dashrath? Ramasya pita Dashratha. Dashrath is the father of Ram, Shashti Vibhakti. So let's see some more examples. Ravanasya putraha Meghanadaha. Meghanadasya pita Ravanaha. Kasya putraha Duryodhanaha. Dhritarashtrasya putraha Duryodhanaha. Duryodhanasya kasya pita Dhritarashtraha. Duryodhanasya pita Dhritarashtraha. Kasya putraha Lavaha. Shriramasya putraha Lavaha. Kasya pita Ramaha. Lavasya pita Ramaha. Kasya putraha Ghatotkachaha. Bhimasya putraha Ghatotkachaha. Kasya pita Bhimaha. Ghatotkacha cha pita Bhimaha. In this way you can make the questions and we can write the answers. In second question is given two columns. In first column is given the name of the books and second column is given the name of their writers. Ramayanasya kavihi Valmikihi. Now how we can make the question? Kaha Ramayanasya kavihi. Who is the writer of the Ramayana? Who is the writer of Ramayana? Ramayanasya kavihi Valmikihi. Kaha Mahabharatasya kavihi? Mahabharatasya kavihi Vyasah. Kaha Raghuvanshasya kavihi? Raghuvanshasya kavihi Kalidasah. Kaha Gita Govindasya kavihi? Gita Govindasya kavihi Jayadevah. In this way, with the help of the Shashti Vibhakti, we can make the questions also and we can write the answers also. Again one example is given here. In first column is given the name of the wives and in second column is given the name of their husbands. Kasya Patni Sita. Whose wife is the Sita? Ramasya Patni Sita. Sita is the wife of Ram. The opposite question also we can ask. Kasyaha Patihi Rama. Whose husband is Ram? Sitayaha Patihi Rama. Ram is the husband of Sita. Sitayaha Malayaha. Shashti Vibhakti. Let's see some examples more. Kasyaha Patihi Lakshmanaha. Kasyaha Patihi Lakshmanaha. Kasyaha, because the wives are feminine, so that's why Kasyaha. Kasyaha Patihi Lakshmanaha. Urmilayaha Patihi लक्ष्मणः। कस्याः पतिः माधवः? रमायाः पतिः माधवः। पार्वत्याः पतिः शिव। कस्याः पतिः शिव? शिवः। पार्वत्याः पतिः शिवः। कस्याः पतिः विठ्ठलः? रुक्मिण्याः पतिः विठ्ठलः। रुक्मिणी। रुक्मिणी इकारांत स्त्रीलिंगी, सो इट्स मूविंग लाइक नदी, सो रुक्मिण्याः पतिः विठ्ठलः। कस्य पत्नी उर्मिला? हुज वाइफ इज उर्मिला? इट्स अ मैस्कुलाइन, सो कस्य। लक्ष्मणस्य पति लक्ष्मणस्य पत्नी उर्मिला। कस्याः पतिः माधवः? रमायाः पतिः माधवः। कस्य पत्नी पार्वती? शिवस्य पत्नी पार्वती। कस्य पत्नी रुक्मिणी? विठ्ठलस्य पत्नी रुक्मिणी। In this way, students, we can use the Shashti Vibhakti for showing the relations. Tavatama. Tavatama, these are the pronouns. These are also in Shashti Vibhakti and showing the connection and showing the connection between the two things or two nouns. Let's see the pictures. Esha mama pathashala. Mama. Mama means my. Tava means your. Mama means my. Esha mama pathashala. This is my school. Esha tava pathashala. This is your school. Esha mama syutah. This is my school bag. Etasya varnah neelah. Its color is blue. Esha tava kupi. This is your water bottle. Etasyaha varnah raktah. Its color is red. In this way, if you want to show the connection between the two things, we can see like that. You can use the tava and mama. Tasya, tasyaha. It's a sarvanam pronoun. Tasya using for masculine, tasyaha using for feminine. Tasya means her, his, tasyaha means her. See in the first picture. Saha balakah. Tata tasya pustakam. Saha balakah, he is a boy. He is a boy. Tata tasya pustakam. It is his book. Tata it. It is his book. Tasya his. It is his book. Pustakasya nama amodah. The name of the book is Amoda. Sa tasya lekhni. It is his pencil. Tasyaha varnaha krishnaha. Its color is black. Means pencil's color is black. See the next picture. Sa mahila. She is a woman. Tasyaha shatika pita. Her sari is yellow. Tasyaha syutah krishnaha. Her bag is black. In this way, for showing the connection between the two things or two pronouns, we can use tasya or tasyaha. Kutra asti. Where is? Kutra means where. Asti is a latlakar. Kutra asti. The forms of locative case means Saptami Vibhakti are used to show the place where a thing is or where something took place. In this lesson, the forms of Saptami Vibhakti have been introduced. These forms, the Saptami Vibhakti forms, replace the word kutra used in the question. For example, Phalam kutra asti. Phalam rukshe asti. Kutra means where. The where shows the place. So answer will be in the Saptami Vibhakti. Phalam kutra asti. Phalam rukshe asti. Rukshe, on the tree. Phalam kutra asti. Where is the fruit? Phalam ruksha asti. The fruit is on the tree. Second picture. Kupi kutra asti. Where is the water bottle? Kupi syute asti. The bottle is in the bag. Chandraha kutra. Where is the moon? चंद्रः गगने, सप्तमी विभक्ति गगने. The moon is in the sky. In the sky. मीनाः कुत्र तरन्ति? Where are the fish swimming? तरन्ति swimming. मीनाः जले तरन्ति. The fish are swimming in the water. In this way, if the question is asked with the kutra, you have to write the answer in Saptami Vibhakti because the kutra shows the place. First picture. Moktikani kutra. Where are the pearls? Bahuvachan. Where are the pearls? The pearls are in the garland. The pearls are in the garland. Malayam. Saptami Vibhakti. Lekhani kutra. Where is the pen? Lekhani petikayam. The pen is in the box. Petikayam. The pen is in the box. Petikayam. Saptami Vibhakti. Nauka kutra vahati. Where is the boat sailing? Nauka nadyam vahati. The boat is sailing on the river. Nadyam Saptami Vibhakti. Jalam kutra asti? Jalam dronyam asti. Where is the water? Jalam dronyam asti. Water is in the bucket. In this way, kutra is shows the place. So that time you can use that nouns or pronouns vibhakti in the Saptami Vibhakti to shows the place.